Everybody learn. Okay, C and Java program. Yes or no? The Python program language. The values, the print statement, variables, expressions, arithmetic operators, relational operators, then logical operators, order of operations, loops concept, then hoop through Python. This is the day 1 session. Okay, next slide. Keep your finish here. Next, introduction. So Python is a popular programming language. Please note down each and every point. Keep the class. So it was created by Goddard. So what is the image view? Goddard, Rosal. Okay. First of all, initially the Goddard, Rosal, so releasing the Python programming in the 1991. 1991. Eppuru introduce chesaru. He is utilizing ABC language. Which language? ABC language. So for very complicated projects, okay, for example, development software means it is very complicated. Whenever we use the ABC language, like you ever know how many languages are there? Ruby language, R scripting programming language, yes or no? Then Java programming, C, then JCL, Java control language, then COBOL language, common business oriented language, yes or no? So many languages are there. But initially, okay, the whatever goes on, so is used which language? ABC language. So that is very complicated for developing any huge projects. So that regards his creation, okay. So he is developed the Python programming. Okay, in the year of 1991. Is developed. So that is the picture of the whatever goes on. Okay, so basically it is used for web development, the server side. Then second one, software developments. So developing any software purpose, what happened is using the Python programming. Similarly, mathematics and system scripting purpose. System scripting purpose. Understood? So basically, his main agenda, his main goal is developing this Python program for the. So these are 4 points. The next slide. Speed రాసుకోండి లేకపోతే స్లైడ్స్ చేంజ్ చేస్తాం గ్రూప్ ఓకేనా కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తాం then what can python do okay what can python do so python can be used on a server to create web application already discussed these are the 4 points sir no so for server to create web application then next one python can be used alongside software to create workflows that means one web page to another web page. I think in the Java programming, for purpose what happened? We are using the no. He is developing for the software to create workflows. Then Python can connect to database system. So, however, we are replacing JDBC concept. Java database connectivity is similar method. So JDBC means front end, back end. So no, okay, retrieve the data from front end to back end. For example, banking system or hospital management, yes or no, or railway department or research centers. So anywhere the project is must should have the front end and back end. Yes or no. So we have to just what happened deposit amount. Yes or no. So and so date. So for example, currently we take the mini statement from last 6 months. So automatically what happened? To display the entire transaction. Yes or no? Yes or no? So how it's possible means that is JDBC concept. In similar manner, in Python also, so we can do that type of job also. We can do that type of task also. That is also possible. Okay. Then, so it can also create and modify the files. So that facility is also available. Then Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. So through Python concept what happened? So again handling the big data problems as well as the any complex mathematics. Then Python can be used for the rapid prototyping, very speed, fast prototyping, or for the production, then ready software developments. So these are the various ways what happened. About the Python concept. Next slide. Then why Python? So it is user friendly and flexible. Powerful, that it is very community as well as libraries. Okay, so these are the mainly to 1142, 120. So within a time I will complete the 50 slides as well as I will show the execution also. Okay na? So that because we did fastly I will explain all the slides. Clear? The next slide. Then next. Who all are using Python? ఎవరు యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారు Python? So NASA, Yahoo, don't make noise. Google, YouTube, okay, Reddit, then IBM, Dropbox, Radical, Netflix, etc. Clear? So these people are what happened? So using the Python concept. So based on Python only what happened? They developing their projects. Okay. So Yahoo, Google, YouTube, Internet, Reddit, IBM, then Dropbox, Radical, Netflix. ఇదందరూ చూసారంటే ఏం యూజ్ చేస్తారు Python. Okay. The next slide. Next. So the data scientist, okay, top 3 programming languages: Python, SQL, then R scripting programming language. So these are the most popular languages. Okay. So these are the top 3 programming languages popular among data scientists. Next. First of all, if you want to work out Java program means first of all what happened? You can install the JDK. Yes or no? If you work out the any C programming, install the Turbo C or Novel Network. Similarly, if you work out the any Python programming, first of all what happened? Install the Python shell. Yes or no? Okay. How we will install the Python shell? So please, all of you carefully listen and note down. So in Chrome, all of you type main points मात्र को दिए put it. Okay. So just go to the Chrome के लिए अगर python.org. What is the URL name? python.org. python.org. Immediately what happened? Whenever the URL, you go to the python.org URL name, immediately what happened? It will display this type of web page. So in that web page, all of you just please listen. So go to the download menu. In that download menu, okay, all of you choose Windows. So before that, your system is supporting or not? Please all of you check your system. Okay, that is RAM capacity is 32-bit or 64-bit. Then all of you want to check it. That is your OS. That is Windows or XP, whatever. Okay, now so based on that, based on capability, then install the Python. Because here so many RAM capabilities is available, so many OS are also available. Okay, na? That is 32-bit, 64-bit, then Windows, then XP. So the computer ki, laptop ki related ga ye support chestu, దాన్ని ఏం చేసుకో సెర్చ్ చేసుకో. First ఏం చేయాలి? Just first of all type your name is python.org. python.org. Then next second option ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళాలి? Download. So in that download, then all of you choose Windows. Next. Okay. Then automatically what happened? It will display the different Python versions. Go back. So different versions. That is Python 3.9.5 version, or Python 3.8, Python 3.7, 3.6, 3.5, whatever. Okay, na? So initially what happened? Install the Python shell. Okay, choose certain path, that is a D drive, or just create anyone directly. For example, your direct name is Parthi, the D drive Parthi, that you can install. Clear? Understood? Otherwise, that's all. Anyway, first of all, you install the. Okay. Then later, so we work out these Python programs are 2 ways. The first way is the command prompt. So you can work out and get programs in the command prompt. Otherwise, after completion of installation, just type IDLE. IDLE means, please note down, very important. You Python install చేసినా ఎక్కడ వర్కౌట్ చేయాలంటే IDLE. What is the full form? Integrated. After completion of session, I will ask the questions also. Please all carefully note down. So IDLE install అయిన తర్వాత మీరు ఎక్కడ వర్కౌట్ చేయాలంటే పైథాన్ షెల్. ఆ పైథాన్ షెల్ ఎలా వస్తుందంటే, సో ఎక్కడైతే మీరు ఇన్స్టాల్ అయ్యిందో దానికి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత సో పైథాన్ ఉంటుంది అక్కడ ఆప్షన్ ఉంటుంది దానికి జస్ట్ రైట్ క్లిక్ అండ్ ఓపెన్. అదర్వైజ్ ఓకేనా, అదర్వైజ్ ఏమి స్విచ్కి వెళ్ళి IDLE. IDLE అంటే ఏమి? ఇంటిగ్రేటెడ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ అండ్ లెర్నింగ్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్. ఇంటిగ్రేటెడ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ అండ్ లెర్నింగ్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ So whenever you can type that name IDLE, automatically what happened? It will display the Python shell. So in that Python shell, then you can work out all those concepts. Okay, na? I think you all know. First of all, I will explain some simple example programs. How to read, then how to display, then how to save the program.